You need to know you. It means you need to know who are you, why you are here, what exactly you want from you, what special you have, or what special God has given you as a gift when you are born. What is your USP? What are your skill set? So you need to know you first. To achieve something, you need not to understand the entire world. You just need to know you in a better way, properly. Of course, knowledge of world is necessary because you are here, you are living here, you have to perform here. So knowledge of surroundings and circumstances is of course necessary, but it is not everything. What matters the most, your understanding about you and only you. Because if you know yourself, then only you can use your skills, your traits into those circumstances and surroundings. So, your first priority should be to know you, your strength, your weakness, your skill set, and whatever you have or whatever the God has given you as a gift. That is should be your first priority.